right, check it. So the ones laying suppressive fire, right? Just unloading, keeping their heads down. But then this chopper pops up over the ridge.
The sniper's keeping a pin?
No, the other one, the country kid.
Oh, okay.
Right, so the sniper sees the chopper, and he just lines up the shot, right? All cool and shit. Takes the shot, BAM! Oh. Nails the pilot.
Oh, bullshit.
Serious?
First shot?
No shit, first shot, I swear to God, right through the fucking canopy. Pow!
That's so badass.
Right? And the best part? The bird just rolls over and drops. Blam! Right on the enemy position. I mean, clears out
if I remember right,
just like that
one shot,
insane.
That was with an RPG. Yeah. You gonna tell them how it really went down?
Nah. Their version's better.
I don't think anyone was expecting what you uncovered. That amount of military-grade hardware shouldn't have been a surprise, and that's got people worried. NSA, CIA, and DIA are swapping a lot of data right now, and a picture's emerging. Progova's part of a hardline faction inside Russia called the Ravens Rock Druzhina. We're still working connections, but this thing runs deep. In the meantime, Langley says Ravens Rock is moving a top-grade system into the hands of some truly bad people. I'll tell you up front, this op is a bad idea. You know it, I know it, and we'll do it anyway. We'll be deep inside Russian territory with zero margin for error. Ops don't get any higher risk than this. But the risk this gear poses if it slips through is even greater. So let's make damn sure we do it the right way.
You've got to see the battlefield to own it. Your NVGs give you a clear look under low light or obscured conditions. Just don't stare into the sun with them on. The fewer Russian regulars you engage at close range, and the more you're...
Overlord, Hunter's on approach to target.
Copy, Hunter. Stay on point down there. You're going into a military facility. Arm response will be swift and deadly.
Understood. We'll ping you again when we're on site. Hunter out. Cargo is our priority target. We need to locate the gear and destroy it before it moves out. Stay focused. 2 hostiles with assault rifles. Right in front of us.
Mark 2. Ready. On you. Standing by.
Camo activate. Move to cover. Stay out of sight. Contact. Team, maybe. They're straight ahead. They've got the thing. On the right. Move. We got 4 more hostiles on site. Right ahead of us.
Hey kid, you cool being here in the motherland?
My parents are Russian. Me, I'm from Brooklyn.
That's enough, 30. Should be a checkpoint up ahead. That's our way in. We're gonna have to clear it.
Roger that. Careful, they got armor.
Ready to fire.
I'm moving. Marking the 3rd. That's 4.
Ready when you are.
Ready.
Ready.
On your word. He's history.
Form up on me. Camel's up.
Reloading. One rifleman. 3 o'clock.
How many we got?
Too many.
Make it quick, and no survivors. They hit the alarm and this op is over before it starts.
Yes, sir.
Contact. Just one team. Ahead of us.
Two marked.
Here's 2.
On your shot.
Move in position.
Hostile down.
On your shot.
Mark 2. On your word. Second target. On your shot. Two marked. Marking target 3. On you. Ready. Ready to fire. Target 3.
Set to fire.
Standing by. Kill confirmed.
There's a shortcut.
Reloading.
Damn vent I ever saw.
The Russians use them to pipe hot air to the airfield. Keeps the ice off the runways.
Hey, I'll take random Russian tribute for 1,000. Get a drone in there.
Drone deployed. Activating camo. Deploying drone.
That did it. Let's go. Overlord, you tracking our progress?
Affirmative, Hunter. You're coming up on a stretch of runway with heavy enemy presence. There's another air shaft on the opposite side. That'll get you closer to the target.
Understood. Still got a long way to go. Sooner we start, sooner we're crossing undercover.
Oh, this is gonna be ugly.
Keep to cover, move quick, and nobody tries to be a hero. Got it?
Got it. Contact, just a couple. Straight ahead. Camo activated.
Eyes on 2 more. Left. We got a transport here. You're gonna get spotted, Kim. On the move.
Hostile down. Watch it, they're looking your way.
Moving position.
Gotta reload. That's 2 targets. And he's number 3. On your shot. Standing by.
Careful, they're looking your way.
Do it!
Hostile neutralized.
Watch it!
Still got a long way to go. Sooner we start, sooner we're crossing undercover.
Oh, this is gonna be ugly.
Keep the cover, move quick, and nobody tries to be a hero, got it?
Got it. Contact on the right.
Numbers.
There's 3. His history.
1, 3.
That's got their attention! Move it, cover!
Still got a long way to go. Sooner we start, sooner we're crossing undercover.